आज राहुल सर मिले हमारे क्रांतिकारी गायक जुबीन गर्ग के घरवालों से और उनके इस मुश्किल घड़ी में उनका साथ दिया। हमें ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं कि जुबीन कौन है, उन्होंने दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया ही बदल दिया। वो हमेशा हमारे दिलों में जिंदा रहेंगे। देखिए इस वीडियो को जब जननायक मिले उनके घरवालों से।
After all the success and all the money and everything, his roots were still his roots, and that he still was humble, was respectful of everybody. So that says something about the man. No? So that's why I like that idea of Kanchenjunga, that it doesn't change.
मोर कोनो जाति নাই, मोर कोनो धर्म নাই, मोर कोनो भगवान নাই, মই মুক্ত।
Zubeen ji said that he was Kanchenjunga. And immediately it connected to me. You can see the worth of a person in their house. He had wealth, he had success, and he had humility, which is something that Assam should be extremely proud of.